Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today you're in for a real treat because I'll be showing you how I do my wash and go on my type 4 hair in the shower using UrbanBella products. I'll be starting this wash day caring for my scalp. This scalp serum is called the Paprika and it contains citrus, jojoba, mint, peppermint, all those things to help my scalp. I'm going to be spraying it all over my scalp and massaging my scalp with it because you know, for healthy hair growth, you want to care for your scalp really well. After massaging into my scalp, I cover my hair with a plastic cap and then wait 15 minutes before I move on to washing my hair. After wetting my hair, I'm going to work section by section. I'll be using the Honey and Aloe Hydrating Shampoo. This is a deep cleansing shampoo. It is not stripping. It is one shampoo that I'm going to use to cleanse my scalp. You can see it's liquidy. So what I'm doing is I'm applying it to my scalp, trying to remove product buildup that I've created the week before, and also applying it through the length of my hair. But the main focus here is my scalp, because after doing this, I'm working section by section and making sure that all the debris that I put in my scalp, you guys don't know what I put in my scalp, but I need to get rid of it. So giving my scalp a good rinse after that. The next step is to use their Non-Lather cleanser. Now this Non-Lather cleanser, you can use it like a co-wash because it is very moisturizing. Although you can use it on your scalp, I find this to be a very hydrating product and I use it on my hair. You can also use this as a co-wash. I personally like using it as a co-wash like middle of the week. After putting it on the length of my hair, I tell you, it felt really good. The way it glided through my hair, this doesn't say it detangles, but I was so tempted and I had to just go in and detangle my hair with it, and the slip was amazing and I'm like, what in the world? If you want a great wash and go, you have to remove the product buildup and you have to hydrate your hair. So that is where this hydrating conditioner comes in. Now this hydrating conditioner, I use it to infuse moisture. Okay, scratch. I used it, oh my gosh, I dropped it. I use it to infuse moisture into my hair. You can apply it to the length of your hair, wait about 20 minutes sitting under a steamer or hot head, heated cap, and use it like a deep conditioner. I used it as a quick deep conditioning for my hair, and I used it to detangle my hair. It was so easy to detangle my hair and just run my fingers through my hair. And so after I detangled one section at a time, I twisted up my hair. Now this is the thing with wash and go, you want your hair to be very well detangled. You don't want to see tangles in your hair because your wash and go is going to be a wash and stop. Okay, so to make it all quick and work in sections, I am rinsing off the conditioner from my hair. Now, some people have said they have issues rinsing off conditioners when their hair is in twist. What you do is you grab your hair and you squeeze out the product. You can see how clean my scalp is. This product line is very hydrating. Each step along the way hydrates your hair. Now, the last thing that I'm going to use is the Cre'Gel. Oh my gosh, this Cre'Gel, this is a concentrated gel. It is not diluted. Most gels that you see right now, they're very diluted. This helps with frizz. It helps control the frizz. And what I'm doing is I'm working section by section and taking just a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. It was so easy for me to achieve the curls. Do you guys see my coils and my curls? Oh my goodness, it was so easy. I'm like, wow. And I was so amazed because normally I would jump out of the shower and I would do all these steps and my hair will feel dry. But I'm finding that when I'm doing it in the shower, it feels really great. You can do these steps out of the shower, trust me. But I was amazed at the curl definitions I have. Now this gives me excellent curl definition. It gives me a curl definition that I'm like, wow. Okay, do you guys see that? So my night routine involves banding up my hair. This is just taking a hair tie and walking in intervals to get the hair tie through the length of your hair. Then the next morning, day 2, this is what my hair looks like after I have unraveled those hair tie, and you can see the progression of my wash and go onto from day 2 straight to day 3, and you can see how my hair looks well moisturized. It's so nice and soft, and even I was able to get my hair to last for 4 days, and that was amazing. Make sure to visit UrbanBella.com for information about these products, and also look in the description area where I have a free ebook guide on how to increase moisture in your natural hair, and also to see the wonderful special offer that UrbanBella has to offer you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.